off match 2. Here we go. Wow. We've got the red team. It's just filling the hub. Wow. Great shooting by the blue team. Here we go. Okay, we're into the transition period. We've got both teams trying to get as many of the fuel as they can. Wow. Red team is really just stacking them in, spreading them out. We've got blue team. They're scoring it up. Ooh. Okay. Blue team is doing a great job and pushing the fuel back to the human shooters, human players. Okay. Blue team is playing the middle of the field. Red team is primarily dominating their end. Okay, now we're seeing some defense by the blue team, trying to get in here and wreak havoc on the red side. There we go. Okay. Oh, blue team. They're scoring left and right. Red team is still trying to gather some of the fuel balls on their end. Oh, looks like they have looks like the machine may be broken on the red team. Okay. Looks like we've got another machine over here that's disabled for the blue team. Blue team once again is creating havoc in the red side of the field. Oh, red team is doing a great job scoring from both the human players and the robots. Okay, we're under 30 seconds. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. 5790s hanging on the blue end. Fine. Wait on the 119 to 75.
All right, that was match number 2. Red Alliance will stay in the top bracket. The Blue Alliance will drop down to the lower bracket.